Wouldn't it be amazing if, as an author, you could create an email list and send emails to that list using email automation absolutely free? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that. What's up, guys? Dave Jacobson here, best-selling author and book publisher. And in today's video, we're going to talk all about email automation. I'm going to give you my honest thoughts about why having an email list is absolutely critical to your success as an author, even if you're just a self-published author just getting started. Then I'm going to share with you some of my favorite email automation platforms and tools. We're going to cover some of their, which are the best ones, and we're also going to talk about the cost of them. And then finally, towards the end of the video, if you stick around, I'm going to share with you what I think is honestly one of the best kept secrets in the entire self-published industry. And that is an email automation tool that will allow you to create emails, create an email list, and send emails to that list absolutely free. So you're not going to want to miss that. Without further ado, I'm going to shrink my melon-sized head here, guys, and we're going to jump into the content here. So as you can see, I pulled up, for starters, a website that's called MailChimp. You can access this by going to MailChimp.com, and you've probably heard about the service before. And it's great if you're not a beginner, if you're not just getting started out, because it's a very professional, intuitive user experience. It's very easy to set up, welcome streams and email series, and also to create email campaigns using all of the tools available to you. The problem with MailChimp is that it is not cheap. In fact, it's very expensive. So, they do have this free for 14 days option. So if you want to try it out and test it out, you can sign up and see if you like it. But then after that, it's $20 per month. And that $20 per month, it may not sound a lot, but it really adds up, right? So that's $240 a year. And if you're just getting started in the self-published game, and you want to be an author, but you don't have a lot of contacts yet, and you're not going to be able to make a lot of use of that service, right? So, and 500 contacts is not a ton of contacts, right? To be able to use those contacts to sell books. So, I do not recommend this at all for people just getting started. And the other problem with it is, like, the more contacts you get, like let's say you get 1,500 contacts, well, then it's going to be $45 a month, which is over $500 a year, right? So again, if you're just getting started as an author, 1,500 contacts is a great start for an email list, but that's a lot of money, right? Even if you have 1,500 contacts per month. So let's be honest, it's difficult to sell books. So I don't recommend this service for self-published authors. There are other great services, like Klaviyo is one that comes to mind. And I've used all these services, by the way, in my past career as a marketing professional. And so I'm very familiar with all of these, and I can speak to them as being very good services. So Klaviyo is another great one. They provide a lot of excellent intuitive tools for building emails. Their pricing, again, the problem with this one for authors is, again, it's pretty high. They do have a free option, which is awesome, right? But if you have over 250 active profiles, then this is not going to work for you. And you can only send 500 monthly emails. So let's say you did have 250 contacts. That's the number of people who are on your list, right? You can only send them 2 emails per month before you're using up all of your available data. And then you have to go up to the next plan, which is $45 a month. And so that's just, again, not a great plan if you're trying to scale your business, right? So Klaviyo, again, is great. MailChimp's great too, but I don't recommend it for authors just getting started. Here's another one, Constant Contact. Constant Contact, the user interface, I don't think is as good as Klaviyo and MailChimp, but it does provide a plan a light plan, which is just starts out at just $12 a month, and that'll give you the drag and drop templates that you can use to create your emails, which is great. So $12 per month is much more reasonable than $45 a month. It doesn't say here how many contacts that lets you have, but I probably not a lot based on my experience. So I would say out of the three, this is probably the one that you're probably going to go for if you don't have a lot of revenue coming in, if you're just starting out selling books and as a self-published author. But now the good news is I'm going to share with you another competitor of all these platforms that will provide you a service for free. So this, if you're just getting started out as an author and you want to start building your list, but you're not ready to start spending money and you don't have a lot of contacts yet, if any at all, I think this is the absolute best kept secret. And I think this is definitely the email platform you should start using. So the great thing about Sender is their tools are very professional, and I'm going to show you in a minute what that looks like. So you can create automation and you can create email campaigns very easily, again, using drag and drop. But they have this free forever plan, right? So for $0 a month, you can have up to 2,500 subscribers, and you can email up to 15,000 emails per month. So guys, if you're just getting started out and you want to start building your list, they have forms, so you can put forms on any email, any place you want, right? Any website, that is, and you can start using those forms to build up your list. You can send your fans, loyal fans or readers from your books to those lists to sign up, and you can get up to 2,500 loyal fans sign up for your list and before you have to pay a penny. And the great thing is it's super scalable. So once you start getting a lot of contacts, well, up to 12,000 emails per month, you can get for just $8.33 per month. So this is by far and away, guys, the most affordable option for authors who are just getting started out. And the free forever plan is absolutely amazing. It's a godsend. It's a saving grace if you're an author and you're not ready to, like I said, you don't have revenue coming in, but you want to start building your list. So let's take a look at what it looks like once you log in, right? So the great thing about this, and this is just one of my accounts that I have. I use several accounts for different book series and things, but what you can do here is you can easily build these workflows, right? And what this is, so let's say you want to build a welcome series. A welcome series is basically when people first sign up for your list, you send them a welcome email, right? And you can build a series. So you're sending them multiple emails, one on day 1, the next one on day 3 or day 5, however you want to set it up, right? So this series right here, they give you a template that you can use, which already comes with all of these emails, right? And that you can start sending, right? And so the way this works is you choose the event that'll trigger the email series. So this would be, someone signs up for the enters this new subscribers list, right? So then the first thing they would do as soon as they've opted in is they would get this email here. And so you can customize this email super easy, right? And so just look how easy it is to use this, guys. You can literally just, if I want to change the colors, or let's say I want to change the, the logo, just literally do that. Welcome. You can change the text super easily, change the image super easily. You can customize everything here, right? You want to change the colors. I'll just pick a color here. So, that's how easy it is to use this, guy. So I think it's on a level with like MailChimp and Klaviyo in terms of its intuitiveness and your ability to use it. You can build out the same, style of emails that you could with MailChimp, but at a fraction of the cost or even for free, right? So that is the beauty of Sender. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. I really hope that it's going to help you build out your list and get started as an author. If you like this video, please like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.